really flooded over here. Not too long ago, I saw some miniature horses tied to these two little trees between the road and the tracks. I was like, that's odd. And we just passed by this red barn looking thing, shed, and it looked flooded around there. And there's this dirt road that looked flooded, and this tractor was close to the water and whatnot. And I know we're in Texas and around brush. I think it's starting to look brush country. But I did see a tropical looking banana plant. I don't know this winter. There's some palm looking stuff. We are in South Texas. I better go talk to Dad. Just talk to him about them serving supper. Man, I've been recording for about a minute and 24 seconds.